I'm in Swannanoa. This mobile home park had 12 homes in it, and now there are only 2 homes visible right there, and then one up against that home right there. I just talked to the landlord and owner of these homes right here, which had 4 feet of water inside of them. They were already lifted because of foundation, so maybe 8 feet taller. This whole area was a river, and this is the river behind me. That landlord told me that some of some of his tenants were staying in there and calling him through the whole thing and telling him what was happening. Um, these people got washed down the river. The one in that mobile home passed away, and the landlord was telling me that people were washed down the river and hanging in trees for 12 hours straight, screaming for help, because nobody could get in here. This whole area was a river until it receded, and so they were just stuck in the trees, right above rushing water, and they couldn't get any help. So people are coming back and getting their belongings. His tenants have all moved out because they were renting. But Swannanoa it's just really bad out here. They've got Harley Davidson Center opened up with a helicopter operation going on, and they've been moving supplies like crazy over there with a ton of helicopters flying through the Swannanoa and Black Mountain area to deliver supplies. And but yeah, it's really bad through this stretch of the town of Swannanoa, because the Swannanoa River runs right through it. This whole area near this school right here has just become a debris field. So many mobile homes were washed down the river from over here. Everywhere along this river has just become a debris field, or part of the river, or something of that sort. River just took over and widened itself. There's just these massive debris fields.
Oh, that's good. You just don't have water. Do you want to show us yours?
So right now, there's an individual that used to live in this house, and he now lives in that tent. I don't think people recognize that people are literally homeless now. Previously had an almost paid off home, and the storm came through, and now he has a paid off tent. He is volunteering at work, and he has no income, so it's just something to think about. And this was just a little creek running along our house.
Yeah, this is a drainage ditch that is basically, you know, carries water when there's excess flow, but not all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it flows into the river. That it feeds, and this is one of like 200 different creeks that flow into it. So let's see if we find it here. We should have brought a tree.
This was the Swannanoa River.
Yeah, this was the river. Now you just see like holes filled with water, and the river took a whole different tour up there to take a new direction.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah, okay.
So this is now where the Swannanoa River flows. And this used to be a lake, you said?
Warrants.
So now the Swannanoa flows through that. It used to flow through back here where we just came from.